guys, and welcome back. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. So today's video is going to be a recreation of, well, it's sort of inspired by a nail set that I found on Instagram whilst I was scrolling through, and I just fell in love with it. I thought it was brilliant. So we're going to use makartt products today to recreate, I guess. It's not exactly the same. It just gave me inspiration, I guess. So anyway, I'm going to show you how to quickly prep. I have a more in-depth video I will link in the cards. So basically I'm just pushing back my cuticle here with a cuticle pusher, and then once I've done that I then switch over to the pointier edge and I scrape away any of the dead skin that is on the cuticle or on the nail plate, whatever you want to call it. And then I move on to the next nail. Once I've done this, as you can see I'm showing you there, once I've done this, I don't know why I felt the need to show you a bit of dead skin, but okay. I then grab my nail file and I just, well, I don't actually do it because you guys know I like to peel off base coat and pop my nails off, but I'm showing you that you need to just file the shine away, buff it away gently from the natural nail. My ring finger, I was emptying my dishwasher and one of the knives, one of my bread knives, was pointing up, and as I went to grab, it actually went underneath my fingernail and caught the corner of my fingernail, so that is why it's all red and yuck and of course short. I had to cut the nail down because I had to see how bad the actual cut was, but it's okay, it's healing, so I'm fine. But yeah, if anything, I've learned to not put my knives upside down in the actual dishwasher. So yeah, and there's a warning for you guys: if you ever do it, don't do it. So now I'm just gluing on my nail tips, and then I cut down the edge to the length I want. I always do my thumb a little bit shorter. I think it's because thumbs look really weird when they're really long, and yeah, I just find it really strange. But I also do cut my nails shorter, be at the thumbnail, because I have children in car seats and it's easier to unclip them from the car seats when I do wear long nails. So once I'd done that, then I filed away the shine from the nail tips. Of course, you want to do this because with gel products, you need to have something to adhere. Like gel likes to stick to a a non-shiny surface. Sorry, it's quite late at night. I did have a video prepared for today, which is Saturday. I did have a nail video prepared, but the end result I was not happy with, so I decided to do a different video. But I might do a video because I've got loads of videos. Sorry, side note. I'm just quickly putting on some base coat now, and then I'm going to cure my nail lamp for 60 seconds. But side note now, here we go. I do have a lot of like random nail videos that I've recorded in the past and I've never uploaded because I haven't been happy with the outcome. And I was thinking of doing, I got the idea off of Emily Susanna. I'm one of her biggest fans. She's absolutely amazing. She's such a sweet girl. And she done a video of like all of her nail videos that never actually like got onto YouTube, and I was thinking of doing a video like that. Would you guys be interested? If you would, let me know down in the comments. So once I'd finished doing the base coat, I then grabbed my makartts clear polygel, and we are actually going to make our own black polygel. Basically, I don't own a black polygel. I do own the black colour changing one, but I didn't want to use that in this set. So I just decided, right, okay, we'll just make our own, because easy peasy lemon squeezy. So that was such a stupid thing. So I am using the makartts black gel polish that I got out of that. I think it's called Classic Elegant or Elegance gel polish kit. It's like 24 gel polishes. I did a review on it and I will link that in the cards as well. So I just put some black gel polish into the polygel and now I'm just mixing it up and creating a black polygel. It cured fine, it worked fine. It was a little bit sticky because of course I added more gel to a gel product, so you might feel that you need to use a bit more slip solution when doing this sort of method. But it's a great money saver for people that obviously can't afford to buy like loads and loads of different colours and kits. So this is a great alternative, and all you need is clear polygel and gel polish. You can also do it with Mortimer, I know that for a fact, and you can also do it with builder gel. So yeah, so I have done a review on the makartts rainbow polygel kit, and I will link that in the cards, but I am using the red from that kit today. And basically what we are going to start off with is my poorly little ring finger. It doesn't hurt, by the way, and it was fine, and I made sure that no product went on it, so don't worry. You know, if my nails hurt, I will by all means use the other hand. So anyway, I just put a bit of that red and some of that black onto my nail, and now I'm using the dotting tool to mix them and marble them together to create, well, a marbled look. You don't want to over mix, because otherwise you're going to make one colour or like a murky colour, and you don't want that. So basically just mix it a little bit, and then literally just use your slip solution and your polygel brush and just pat it and pull it into place. Obviously don't try not to mix it too much. And I made this really cool like blood and dirt sort of nail. I don't know, it just this one nail just reminded me of Halloween. It's really strange. So yeah, this is a Halloween set. So anyway, we do this nail. I cure them for a full 60 seconds once I was happy with the shape and everything like that. Of course, polygel does not have to be perfect on application, although it does save you time on filing. So now onto the middle finger, I just do one full nail of that black gel, polygel. Something is wrong with me today. I think it's because I'm finally getting over that cold. As you can hear, my voice is not so bad now. My nose is clear and I can breathe properly. It's great. And thank you to everyone that was wishing me and my kids well and that we get better soon. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. It's really nice that you guys care enough and stuff like that, and I absolutely love it, and I hope you guys are all doing well as well. So anyway, going back to the nails, because that's why we are here, and I'm always soppy in my videos, I apologise, but I've got to give credit where credit is due, right? So anyway, I applied the black to the full nail, I cured, and then I went back in with another bead of that black, and I created an apex because the nail was actually too thin. I then done the exact same thing on my pinky finger, but I think I do that one last. Yes, I do a marble on my thumb, and then the index finger, I do a full colour of that red polygel. I absolutely love the red in this kit. It's just so bright. And it's just, oh, I love it. So anyway, I'm going to let you guys watch the polygel application because you guys have seen me do this 1,000 times. And I'm going to put some music on and some feature comments, and I'll be back in a bit for, well, when I need to say something, basically. So enjoy, guys. Boo. Sorry, that was such a bad idea. Uh, I'm back, guys, but with that pitiful boo. Sorry, Halloween video, I thought I'd be a total mum and do a boo. Anyway, going back to the nails. So I couldn't decide whether to put the spider onto my middle finger or my ring finger. My idea was to have the spider on the black nail because then it would really make the red gems pop. But then I realised that I had to paint on the black spider legs, and I thought, oh, they're not going to show up on the black nail, so I thought I'll do it on the red nail. It turned out fine. I actually really liked it. By the way, I made this little resin plate to go on my finger with polygel. I actually recorded a video ages ago and I never uploaded it because I don't know if people would want to see stuff like that. But if you do, please let me know in the comments down below because I would be happy to upload how I made it. It was so easy and simple, and I actually had fun doing it. I might make a really big one, I don't know yet. I'm not very good at like actual drawing, but I can draw like little things, and it's not that hard to mix polygel and marble it and glitter. So anyway, I put some black gel polish onto that little resin palette, and then I drew on some spider legs, and I've gone out of frame here, I apologise. And then once I was done with one side, I actually flash cured and then went in on the other side. By the way, take that ring off if you're going to stick your hand in the lamp, because otherwise you're going to cure on all of that gel polish and you won't get it off. And it's made out of polygel, so acetone's going to break it down, and yeah. So basically with the spider legs, you literally just draw a line and then you just draw another line. It was so simple to do, and look how cool that looks. I was so happy with how this spider turned out. I was like, oh, I love it. So then I did draw on some tiny little pincers. They didn't turn out too great. They just look like this spider kind of looks like an ant and a spider had a baby. I don't know. And then once I was done with that, I then went in with Saviland's spider gel. How fitting, considering we're drawing spiders on our nails. But yeah, Saviland's white spider gel, and I create some like webs. I was gonna draw webs on, but I thought no, I'd rather use this because I don't get to use it that often, and it does look like a web has just been like thrown onto the nails, do you know what I mean? So I done that on both black nails. I just literally grabbed the dotting tool, stuck it into the gel, and then I just wrapped it round. It's really simple and easy to do, and spider gel is actually really fun to play with, by the way. Once I was done with that, then of course curing like the gel, because of course you've got to cure it, I then went in with my top coat and I top coated all of the nails and cured for 60 seconds. I lost my trail of thought then. So I did put shiny top coat onto the spider nail, but when I got to the reveals, I was like, I don't like it. It was the shine was taking away from the rhinestones because they were red as well, and the legs. So off camera, I grabbed my Beetles matte top coat and I painted that matte instead, and it looked 100 times better. Oh my gosh, I was so happy with it. So anyway, I just applied some cuticle oil, rubbed it in, and here are the end results. So you can see there it is shiny, and this is where I was like, I'm not too happy with the spider nail being shiny. So I paused the video and quickly painted the matte on, And here is the end result. I think it looks so much better matte in my opinion. Let me know in comments below what you think. But I really enjoyed doing this set. It was really fun to create. But I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I hope you're having a wonderful day wherever you are in the world. Keep smiling, stay safe, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye guys!